is the structure of J. One J molecule contains 3 carbon. When J is warmed with concentrated sulfuric acid, a cyclic compound L is formed. L has molecular formula C6H8O4. So from J becomes L. So the molecular formula of L suggests that 2J combines to form L. Because 1J molecule contains only 3 carbon, so to make L, we need 2J molecules. I'm going to draw 2J molecules side by side so that we can see how they react with one another. Alright, I used 2 different colors so that you can see the 2 molecules clearly. The 2 functional groups in 1J molecule will be carboxylic acid and alcohol. So the alcohol from this red J molecule will react with the carboxylic acid from the blue J molecule. And carboxylic acid from the red J molecule will also react with the alcohol group from the blue J molecule. So when esterification happens, water molecules will be eliminated. In this case, we are going to eliminate 2 water molecules. Esterification happens when we remove the OH from the carboxylic acid and the H from the alcohol functional group. OH will combine with this H, and we get water molecule. Now let's do the same for the other 2 functional groups. Eliminate the OH from the carboxylic acid and the H from the alcohol. So how these 2 molecules combine to form ester? I'll number the atoms so that you know what will be in the cyclic structure, the ring. Okay, 1, 2, these 2 carbon bonded to each other. After water molecule is eliminated, this carbon number 2 will bond to this oxygen number 3. Then bonded to carbon number 4, bonded to carbon number 5, and oxygen number 6. And oxygen number 6 is bonded to carbon number 1 again. So they form a cycle. Now let's draw a hexagon because there are 6 members in the ring. So this will be my carbon number 1. It is bonded to carbon number 2. Carbon number 2 has double bond O. And this number 3 should be an oxygen. So I'm going to erase these 2 bonds and then put an oxygen in the middle. So the third member of the ring is an oxygen. Now the fourth member is a carbon. Fifth member, another carbon, double bond O. The sixth member is again an oxygen. So I am going to do the same. I am going to erase this bond and put an oxygen in between. We are done with the basic structure of the ring. Now it's time to fill in the substituent groups. Carbon number 1 is also bonded to a methyl group. And carbon number 4 also is bonded to a methyl group. So now the structure for L is complete. The question is asking for a display formula for L. So let's convert this to a display formula. So finally, this will be the display formula for L. What type of reaction occurs when L is formed from J? Condensation reaction. Why is esterification a condensation reaction? Because two molecules join together to form a larger molecule, and smaller molecules are also eliminated. This type of reaction is called condensation.